Hi, I'm Nokara. And if you are a woman struggling with menopause, feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, or disconnected from your body, I want you to know something important. You are not broken, and this transition does not have to be suffered through. I wrote my book, Midlife in Harmony, because I've been there myself. I've experienced the fear, the frustration, the sleepless nights, the pain in my body, the anxiety, and the feeling of losing myself in midlife. As a registered nurse, I understood the medical side, but as a woman, I knew there had to be a gentler, more natural way. Through food, lifestyle changes, daily rhythms, nervous system support, and by blending Eastern wisdom with Western care, I slowly restored my health. Today, I'm over 90% symptom free. I live with joy, inner peace, and confidence. Midlife in harmony is not about quick fixes, pills, or forcing your body to comply. It's about partnership with your body and learning how to support it naturally. Inside the book, I guide you to understand menopause without fear or confusion. Use food and lifestyle as a daily medicine. Restore sleep, energy, and emotional balance. And move from simply surviving to truly thriving in midlife. This book is also deeply personal to me. It's inspired by my mother, whose life was cut short by a female related illness. Her strength, resilience, and unconditional love shaped who I am. And this work is my way of honoring her and helping women live fully and vibrantly. I truly believe this. Good health leads to great health, and great health is true wealth. And we, as women, have the power to create it. If you are ready to navigate menopause naturally with clarity and confidence, Midlife in Harmony is here to walk this journey with you. This is your time, your transition, your harmony.